Welcome to the Easy English Exercise channel, where you learn English in an easy way. Today, we are going to learn how to speak about your future in English. This is an important skill because we all think about tomorrow, next week, next year. By the end of this episode, you will know simple ways to talk about your plans, your dreams, and your hopes. You will practice sentences slowly and clearly. You will feel more confident talking about what is coming next in your life. Let's begin this journey together. Let's start with the simplest way to talk about the future. We use the word will. When you say will, you are making a prediction or a promise about the future. It is very easy to use. Listen to the structure. Subject, then will, then the verb. For example, I will study. You will travel. She will work. He will call. We will meet. They will arrive. It is simple and clear. Let's practice together now. Repeat after me. I will study English tomorrow. Good. You will travel next month. Nice. She will work on Monday. You stayed with it. Now try this one. We will meet at the cafe. Excellent. They will arrive at 6 o'clock. You completed that sentence. Do you hear how simple it is? You just need will and the verb. No special endings, no complicated rules. Now, here is something you can do today. Think about one thing you will do tomorrow. Say it out loud or quietly. For example, I will wake up early, or I will drink coffee. Try it now. Say it with me. I will drink coffee tomorrow. You just spoke about your future in English. That is real progress. You can also think about next week. What will you do? Say one sentence. For example, I will call my friend, or I will go shopping. Repeat after me. I will call my friend next week. You tried that sound, and you did it. Speaking about the future is not difficult. You are doing it right now. Now, let's talk about another way to express the future. We use going to when we have a plan or intention. This is very common in everyday conversation. The structure is also simple. Subject, then am, is, or are, then going to, then the verb. Let me give you examples. I am going to study. You are going to travel. She is going to work. He is going to call. We are going to meet. They are going to arrive. Listen carefully to the difference. Will is for decisions you make right now, or predictions. Going to is for plans you already have. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am going to study English tonight. Good. You are going to travel next year. Nice. She is going to work from home. You completed that practice. Now try these. We are going to meet our friends. Excellent. They are going to arrive soon. You stayed with it. Now, here is the important part. In spoken English, we often shorten going to and say gonna. Listen, I'm gonna study. You are gonna travel. She is gonna work. This is very natural and relaxed. Let's practice the short form. Say it with me. I am gonna call you later. Good. We are gonna eat dinner together. Nice. They are going to visit us. You tried that sound beautifully. Now, here is something you can try later today. Think about your plans for this weekend. Say one sentence using going to or gonna. For example, I am going to relax on Saturday. Or, I am going to watch a movie. Try it now. Repeat after me. I am going to relax this weekend. You just expressed a future plan. That is exactly how native speakers talk about their plans. You are learning real, useful English. Let's move to another important part of speaking about the future. Sometimes we want to talk about hopes and dreams. We use words like hope, want, and would like. These words help us express what we wish for. Listen to these examples. I hope to travel to Japan. I want to learn French. I would like to change my job. She hopes to buy a house. He wants to start a business. We would like to move to a new city. Notice the structure. After hope, want, and would like, we use to and the verb. Let's practice slowly. Repeat after me. I hope to travel next year. Good. I want to learn more English. Nice. I would like to meet new people. You completed that sentence. Now try these. She hopes to finish her project. Excellent. He wants to visit his family. You stayed with it. We would like to save money. You tried that sound and you did it. Now here is the difference between these words. Hope is about wishing for something, but you are not sure it will happen. Want is a strong desire. Would like is polite and formal. All three are useful. Let's practice them together. Say it with me. I hope to find a new job. Good. I want to improve my English. Nice. I would like to travel more. Excellent. Now tonight before bed, try this. Think about one thing you hope for, one thing you want, and one thing you would like. Say them quietly or out loud. For example, I hope to be healthy. I want to learn guitar. I would like to spend time with my family. You do not need to write anything, just say it. This is how you practice talking about your dreams in English. You are connecting your real life to your English practice. That is powerful. Now let's bring everything together. Let's practice talking about the future in longer sentences. This is how you will use these structures in real conversations. Listen first. Next year, I am going to visit my brother. I hope to stay for 2 weeks. I will try the local food. I want to take many photos. Do you hear how all the structures fit together? Going to for the plan, hope to for the wish, will for the prediction, want to for the desire. Let's practice a similar example. Repeat after me. Next month, I am going to start a new course. Good. I hope to learn many things. Nice. I will study every day. Excellent. I want to finish it quickly. You completed that practice. Now let's try another one. Say it with me. This weekend, I am going to relax at home. Good. I hope to read a book. Nice. I will cook something special. Excellent. I want to spend time with my family. You stayed with it beautifully. Do you feel how natural it sounds? This is real English. This is how people talk about their future every single day. Now here is something you can do right now while you are listening. Think about your future. Think about tomorrow, next week, or next year. Create your own sentences. Use will, going to, hope to, or want to. Say them quietly or out loud. For example, tomorrow I am going to work. I hope to finish early. I will go for a walk. I want to feel relaxed. Try it now. Use your own life, your own plans, your own dreams. This is not just practice. This is you speaking English about your real future. And that is the best kind of practice. Let me give you a few more everyday sentences about the future. These are sentences you will hear and use all the time. Listen first, then repeat. I will call you tomorrow. Good. I am going to buy groceries later. Nice. I hope to see you soon. Excellent. I want to sleep early tonight. You tried that sound. We are going to have a meeting on Friday. Good. They will help us with the project. You completed that practice. I would like to learn more about this topic. Beautiful. She is going to visit her parents next month. You stayed with it. These sentences are tools. You can use them in your daily life. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will become. And remember, you do not need to be perfect. You just need to try. You are already doing that right now. Before we finish, I want to remind you of something important. Today, you learned how to talk about your future in English. You practiced will for predictions and promises. You practiced going to for plans. You learned hope to, want to, and would like to for dreams and desires. You repeated many sentences. You connected this grammar to your real life. That is real progress. You did not just listen, you participated. You tried. And every time you try, you improve. Speaking about the future is a skill you will use every day, in conversations, in interviews, in messages, and now you know how to do it. So keep practicing. Tonight, tomorrow, next week, say one sentence about your future every day. It can be simple, it can be short, but say it. That is how you build confidence. That is how you grow. Thank you for being here with me today. I am proud of your effort. You are doing better than you think, and I will be here whenever you need to practice again.